Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. Today I'm back with another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing Amazon Fire TV 4K stick. So let's get started. First of all, there is a little seal on the box. After removing the seal, in the box, first thing we see is the adapter. This adapter is going to be used to power the Amazon 4K stick. Second thing are the AAA size 2 batteries. There is the Amazon branding on these batteries. This is the Amazon Fire TV stick remote. This remote comes with dedicated volume buttons plus a dedicated button for the Alexa. And here's the beauty and the beast itself. Yeah, you got it right. This is the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. This is the user manual for the Fire Stick 4K. This is a micro USB cable that will be used to give power to our Amazon Fire 4K stick. Last thing in the box is the HDMI female to HDMI male connector. This is going to be used to connect our Amazon 4K stick with the TVs that don't have enough space because the stick itself occupies a lot of space, so they have included this connector in the box. That I think is a good initiative. Here are some visuals how Amazon 4K stick is giving results. I hope you will like this video. If so, then drop a like. If not, drop a dislike. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your boy is leaving. Take care. Bye bye.